Yo, sweet people out there. This is your favorite boy, Ephraim. You can call me Ephraim Beat, and I say, speed up, yeah. Today I'm going to talk about the L'amour EP for my only brother, my brother from another mother. It's true. I'm on the L'amour EP. On the song titled Understand. That's Shade featuring myself. And Shade is a great guy, is a great talented guy that I have been watching from afar. I have seen quite a couple of great masterpieces he's been putting out there, and I really fell in love with most of them, almost all the ones that I have seen. And so I know he knows what he's about, and I know what I'm about. So working with him, I mean, the two of us being in the studio together and then mashing up things, clearing and forwarding things in the studio, it was so simple because the connection was there. He's a real brother, so I mean, everything just came out just naturally. The joint I have with Shade, trust me, I'm not going to brag, I'm not going to blow my own trumpet or whatever, but trust me, I see that song to be a song going into the BETs, the Grammys, the Afrimas, all those big awards that recognize good and mature music, yeah? So I see it entering into that space. And as soon as he's there, I'm there as well. I've had the chance to listen to all the songs on the L'amour EP by Shade, and I want to say he's done a great job. I mean, the team he's working with has done a great job as well. His engineering part has been so solidly sealed. Everything is on point, trust me, and he's got different kind of, I mean, different genre of songs on the thing, and trust me, I mean, it's the whole package that is bringing out to you guys there. So, I mean, just be expecting it in good faith. Yeah, to my people out there, my sweet people of Africa and to the world at large out there, if you're supporting me or following me, I want you to extend that energy towards the L'amour EP by Shade, because he's a brother, so when you're supporting him as well, it means you're supporting me. So let's do this for our brother. This is his time, let's do it for him. And we are one love, yeah? Shade, the L'amour EP.